Nope. What you cutting, Lydia?
This paper plate.
Oh, wow.
The newspaper plate.
Okay. Are there any more guts in there? I think we may have to get a few more. Uh-oh. SpaghettiOs. Did Daddy break it off in there?
Did you?
Oh, man, Lydia, can you get it?
I just have a little bit more. Can you get it? My hands are tired.
Oh, Daddy's been working so hard on getting it out of that pumpkin. Here, I'm shining this so you can see nice light in there. There you go. You can do it.
No.
Ooh, good one. Good job.
Don't take my guts out.
No! Keep on taking your guts out! Yeah! Daddy, keep on saying don't take my guts out.
Don't stick your hand in my head.
That's not your head. That's your... Wow!
Hi, Shelby.
Don't pick...
You want to do it too?